I almost ignored GroxLab AI completely because honestly, it sounded too good to be true. But after testing it, I realized something that most people are missing. And if you're thinking of buying this, you need to hear this first, or you'll regret it. There are 3 things about GroxLab AI. One of them is actually insanely powerful, one is slightly misleading, and one thing completely changed how I use AI tools forever. So before you buy this, let me show you what actually happens when you use it. Because this is not just another ChatGPT style tool, and it's also not what most affiliates are telling you. So when I first logged into GroxLab AI, I expected just another dashboard, another AI tool with big promises, but then I noticed something interesting. Before I show you what surprised me, let me quickly explain what this actually claims to do. GroxLab AI basically gives you access to multiple Grok AI models, including advanced versions like Grok 4, 4.1, 4.2, plus business and enterprise level capabilities, all inside one dashboard, and without monthly fees. And this is where things get interesting. So what I did was, I tested it for content creation first. I asked it to generate a YouTube script, a sales copy, and some ad creatives. And honestly, the output was surprisingly fast, and more detailed than most basic AI tools. Day 1, I was just testing features. Day 2, I started using it for actual work, and by day 3, I realized something important. This tool is not about replacing one AI, it's about replacing multiple tools at once. But here's the part nobody tells you. This is not magic. If you don't know how to use AI properly, you won't get insane results. And also, beginners might feel slightly overwhelmed at first. However, once you understand how to use it, it becomes extremely powerful. You can generate content, create images, write emails, build scripts, and analyze ideas. All from one place, without switching between tools. And the biggest advantage? You're not paying monthly like other AI tools, which is honestly where most people lose money over time. So who is this actually for or not for? This is perfect for affiliate marketers, freelancers, and content creators. But not for people looking for instant money, people who won't take action. Now, this is important. GroxLab AI is powerful, but it still has one gap, and that's exactly why I created these bonuses. Bonus 1. High Converting AI Prompt Pack, worth $199. This includes YouTube scripts, sales copy prompts, and email sequences. So you don't waste time figuring out what to write. Bonus 2. AI Monetization Blueprint, worth $449. Where I show you how to get clients, sell AI services, and actually make money using tools like this. Total bonus value more than $500 free with GroxLab AI purchase through link in the description. So, is GroxLab AI worth it? Honestly, yes, if you want an all-in-one AI system and you're tired of paying monthly for multiple tools. But no, if you're expecting results without effort. And if you're getting GroxLab AI, make sure you use the link in the description, because that's the only way you'll get these bonuses. And remember, what you saw today is just basic usage. Once you actually start using it properly, that's where the real power kicks in. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in next video.